load it up in reverse and then put it in drive. All right, now put it in drive. Oh. It's still just one.
Yep. He was in jail. That's how I found. We didn't know where he went, and I looked on Google one day when I was in 8th grade.
How do?
And he was
what are you doing, man?
found a shitter.
Found a shitter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh look, COVID-19. That's wild, dude. This is Ryan's apartment. Were the ones right over there before the big flood. Yeah. He was the ones that were like right on the water. I think it came up 2 stories. Stupid.
You jump.
Oh my god. So one thing you probably caught me saying on this channel and caught my friend saying is for the poors, or for the poors, and we're basically saying that we are the poors. So I've been wanting to make something with it, and I finally got the idea from a friend of mine. My buddy told me just make a sticker that says hashtag for the poors. So decided to make a sticker for the poors. I got a bunch here from my buddies. We'll put on their trucks, and so I will let everybody know that we are for the poors. Tint Dude Incorporated. There's his Facebook and his email. 4cartint@gmail.com. And then the Tint Dude, there's his phone number there. Make sure that you guys, if you're in the Houston area, he goes all over.
All on my bed, yeah. Dream of the stress, yeah. Fuck all the pain. All this money I come to obtain, yeah. My niggas, we stick to the plan. I put all the squad in my hand. They call me the god of the city. I'm honest to say that I do what I can. Fuck that race, yeah.
What's up, guys? We're back. I got the giant sticker on the back, as you can see. I got the lift in here. And guess what we're doing today? We are installing the lift, finally. We've got the other 2 wheels for the front and the back. In the back of the truck. So let's go get this thing installed and see how it's gonna look. It's about time. Well, the back's on, and this thing's tall. That thing is freaking tall. Hey, should we go cruise just like that or what?
Yeah, let's go down Ranchero.
Oh shit. This is that reverse Cali style. Dude, it's angled so far down, forward, up front. It's so stupid. Oh my god. Face down, ass up right there, boy. So we got most of the front taken apart. And now we're gonna eat. Have these margaritas. And then we're gonna be doing this truck. Oh, sick.
Dude, that's how they say.
That's how they're doing the
Yeah, if they
to-go margaritas.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Tamper resistant adhesive. Oh, it's awesome. Oh man. So we got both cross members in. We got the sway bar in, the sway bar drop bracket. We got the rear completely done back there. Got the knuckle there. Got the little spacers on there.
Real truck right there. You know what's funny?
Is that how you feel?
That shot. He's be over there.
And look at this guy. Mr. No Digs on Instagram. Got his vet here. Getting fresh paint on it. Got the fresh wheels on the F-150. Woo-wee. And we got Mr. C's mobile car wash back there. Hey, did you already tighten these?
Yeah. On the bottom?
On the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, red.
10's not over here.
I got it.
It's too big.
There you go.
2 slap dicks in a parking lot. Trying to figure out how to put a lift on.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
You got it?
Yeah.
You get it?
You got it?
Yes.
Do you need help?
I don't think so.
Just so everybody knows, this is the only time Russell has worked on the truck today.
You're so full of shit. The first time today.
He's acting like he's working.
He touched all the
getting really fucking tough.
He rubbed his hands on all the dirty stuff.
Shit, my phone's ringing.
That motherfucker.
Did you get camera shot? What happened? What happened? Come on, say it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it.
Hey, they need you over there.
They don't need shit. Bitch ass. Still working. Taking forever. Forever. Forever.
So we just wrapped up the lift on the F-150 with big help here thanks to Ephraim. And damn it, boy. Alright guys, so I'm letting Ephraim take it for a test drive because he is the one that used to work for, what was it?
Offset Customs.
Offset Customs. So he's the one that's gonna know, you know, if everything's set up right, if it feels good, whatnot. So he's taking it around the block real quick, just around a little friendly neighborhood right here. Just to see how it feels.
The suspension, pretty much the suspension sitting in, and the steering's gonna set in as well.
Right.
So that's what we're feeling. That's why pretty much what the test drives are for, is to let everything set in.
Okay.
because you won't get it from doing the figure eights I was doing in the parking lot. So
Right.
driving around on the road and actually doing the short little turns and jabs at a higher rate of mileage will actually set it right.
That's when we're gonna see if there's anything wrong, or
Yeah.
it'll set down to where it needs to be, kind of. Okay. Terrible, and I mean these roads are pretty smooth here, you know, but it honestly really doesn't feel bad at all. Like it feels pretty smooth. What do you think compared to lifts that you've installed before and whatnot?
Feels pretty good.
Yeah. I need to get this thing aligned, get the wheels, what is it, road tested?
Yeah.
Road tested, road force tested, excuse me. And then also get them balanced. And after that, I mean, it seems like we'll be all set.
Yeah, your steering wheel just needs to be shifted a little bit.
A little bit to the right.
Yep.
It's like, okay.
But other than that, it drives pretty much straight.
Cool.
You're just going to make sure the alignment's pretty much still in line.
Yeah, yeah.
But other than
And
that,
whenever they do the alignment, they'll be able to get the steering wheel straight and all that. Okay. Awesome.
and then Discount Tire will balance your wheels and tires and do the road force test.
Now it is.
Aww. So taking on the first drive for myself, and we see what it feels like. Oh, I put up right in front of my car too. Fucking Chase. Thanks, Chase. Pulled up right in front of us. Like, it rides pretty smooth, right?
It does.
Like, it's not bad at all. Cutting over.
Unreal.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
So on top of all this other dumb, stupid things we're doing in the truck, decided to take off the rest of the exhaust. And yeah, we're gonna start it up, see what it sounds like. The truck's already warm, so this isn't exactly a cold start, but yeah. It's a little raspy, but that's not bad for just unbolting it. It's not bad at all. I'll run with it, whatever. Cool.